The project idea that my partner and I decided on was to code a Twitter sentiment API bot to detect sentiments and tweets from the top trending topics in the United States. This is to better understand the attitudes of the tweets that are most popular. Our API bot is able to locate endpoints to pull specific data from tweets. These endpoints enable us to filter and search for the sentiments in top trending topic tweets. Tweets contain important context about what is happening around the United States. Thus, being able to detect tone from these tweets can give us a better idea about why these tweets happen to be trending in the US, as well as the ratio of positive, neutral, and negative tone tweets. We will determine the ultimate feeling of each trend and how people feel about it depending on their tweets. This will give us a short summary of what the public opinion is on certain top trends without having to look at all the tweets manually. This can be potentially useful for marketers as they can use this data to better understand the public's sentiment about products and brands. This is also used to track people's political views through their feelings about government statements and their following actions, and also to track and predict election results. This can also be useful for public action. The sentiment analysis can be used to watch and analyze social phenomena, to include general mood as well as potentially dangerous situations encrypted into tweets. In our code, we used a sentiment analysis API, the Python package Tweepy, which is a Python library for accessing the Twitter API that we used to create data analysis in the Twitter bot. We also use this to get a request token from Twitter, then to authorize our application, then to exchange the authorized request token for an access token. The web service we used was Twitter, and for visualization, we used matplotlib.plyplot, a collection of command-style functions that make matplotlib work like MATLAB. Each plyplot function makes some change to a figure, which creates a plotting area in the figure and plots some lines in a plotting area. Also decorates the plot with labels. The bot's purpose is first to locate the endpoints in the top trending tweets, then to filter and search for sentiments within, and then finally to discover why these tweets are trending in the USA and the ratio of positive, neutral, and negative tone tweets. The user will be prompted to pick a number corresponding to one of the top 10 trending topics. Then 500 tweets within the parameters of the user selection and popularity are generated. Then the tweets will get sent to the sentiment analysis to get scored. Sentiment scores of all tweets are counted up within their categories, then divided by the number of tweets to produce the average. Using the data, the program will then generate a visualization of the data represented as a pie chart and a stacked area chart.